LCD replacement on Lenovo IdeaPad 315 IL6 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Cecily, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing the LCD on a laptop is an essential and highly beneficial step when a screen is damaged, malfunctioning, or no longer responsive. Over time, issues such as cracks, dead pixels, discoloration, or a completely unresponsive display can severely affect your laptop's usability and performance. Opting for an LCD replacement restores the visual integrity of your device, ensuring that colors are vivid, brightness is consistent, and the overall display quality is sharp and clear. Making your laptop function just like new. Again, LCD replacement is a cost-effective solution that can save you the expense of buying a new laptop while also eliminating the frustration of working with a compromised display. By entrusting the replacement process to a professional repair shop, you ensure that the new LCD is installed with precision and expertise, which helps prevent further issues that could arise from improper handling. Professional technicians not only have the necessary tools and skills to safely replace the screen, but they also test the new display thoroughly to guarantee that it functions perfectly. This type of repair extends the lifespan of your laptop, allowing you to continue using it for years to come without sacrificing performance or reliability in the long run. An LCD replacement offers a smart, budget-friendly solution that brings both immediate display problems and long-term value by preserving your device's functionality. However, at PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair was handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.